Yo, 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 yo. Welcome to Friday's upload. Oh, my finger just got in the way. Welcome to another simple recipe. Simple recipes are recipes that can be made in any country at any place. I want to try to start producing these videos where we can embrace each other and bond as one, and we can share recipes and ideas across the globe. Cooking is peaceful and relaxing, and let's spread love and positivity. I know COVID-19 and that Delta virus is back in the news again, plus other stuff that makes no sense, but let's embrace cooking and people, and let's just enjoy life, and let's try to forget about those things. So welcome to Simple Recipes. It's another cheesesteak taco with Cheez Whiz. This can be made in any country. If you don't have the specific ingredients or brands that I do in America or in Canada, look for the ones that are local to your area, your province, and just substitute. Like I'm going to give you the basics, and you just use the brands that you're comfortable with and that work for you. So let's go to Simple Recipes. Love you. Bye-bye. Alright, so we're here for Simple Recipes. There's the YouTube studio. I have not used it yet. It's a sunny day in the northeast of America. Got the stove running, and we're just gonna get started with this recipe. Oops, sorry, you see my broom and my ladder. So for today's recipe, we have cheesesteak on taco again. I know I made one a year ago with provolone. This one's going to be made with Cheez Whiz, and I added jalapeno to it to give it a little spice. So for today's recipe, we have those organic tacos, shaved steak, mushroom, onions. We got that Cheez Whiz that I added a touch of heat, garlic powder, onion powder. I'm using those Broad Street Naturals, the one I did the food review with yesterday. And in this pan, we have avocado oil and butter. Avocado oil is really great because it doesn't change the taste of food. It leaves it natural. And the butter add taste. So the thing we're going to want to do is, let's get this stove on medium. Let that butter and oil move around the pot. And then we'll throw in the onion and mushrooms. Alright, so the avocado oil is in there and the butter. You see that butter's in there? That's going to add taste. Now we're going to want to toss in the onions and mushrooms, and we're going to cook those for a little while, and then we'll move them to the side and then add the shaved steak. Alright YouTube, so we have the onion in there and the mushroom, and we're just going to cook that for a little bit, let it get soft, and then when that's soft we'll move it to the side, and then we'll put the steak. The steak is not going to take long. Alright, so you can see the steam and smoke coming off of that. Just keep turning this to either your onions get translucent or they're soft. That's basically a personal preference. But like I said, with simple recipes, these can be made in any country and any place. If you can't find the brands that I use, just substitute whatever's available in your country. But I'm just giving you the ideas. And just go with it. Oh, I wish you could smell this. So we're going to move this over to the side now. And we're going to throw that steak in there. Alright, YouTube. Throw the steak in there. Oh boy, I wish you could really smell this. So, keep the onion and mushrooms to the side. If you have peppers, you could add that. Now, just keep breaking up the steak. And to add a little bit more flavor to that, take your garlic powder, throw some in there, And then the final step is throw some onion powder in there. But you don't want to put too much. So just work the steak around. And then when everything's done, we're going to combine everything together. And like with this, if you're in America, a lot of people use ribeye or sirloin, but use whatever you want. If you remember the steakums that we grew up with in America, use those. This is your cook, your house. So see you in a little bit when that's more done. Alright YouTube, so we're almost there. Those onions and mushrooms are set, and the steak is almost set. The thing we could do, the thing that you can do is, once this is done, we could turn it down to low, move everything to the side and mix it, and you could take the tortilla and try to brown it and use the grease. It comes in very handy. Alright YouTube, one quick step at the end. I added some butter to add some more flavor to these mushrooms and onions. So the steak is ready. Now you're going to want to come over. Actually, you can just mix everything together. So this is what a cheesesteak is. And you can always get different answers on cheesesteaks. Everyone does it differently, and every area does it differently. But in the end, adults love cheesesteak, and so does kids. So alright, move this over, and I'm going to take one of the tortillas and put it down there and warm it, give it a little flavor. Alright YouTube, so we have that steak, mushroom and onion done. I added a little bit of butter, and now we're going to add the tortilla in there and just give it some color. And this is showing you how to use one pan for one recipe. Alright, so we have that tortilla, and this is totally optional. Put that in there and spin it. If you want, kick this thing up to medium. Spin it. Just be careful of your fingers. And flip it. So just do that till it's brown, and then we're set. The thing is, what we're going to do now is I'm going to put the Cheez Whiz in the microwave and warm it, and we'll come back and we'll just top this, and this is something delicious to eat. I actually can't wait to eat this. Alright YouTube, look at that taco. Look how that got brown, and look at the glistening of the oil and grease. That thing is going to taste so good. And there's our Cheez Whiz. So we're done with that steak. This is looking good. So that's the onion, mushroom, and cheesesteak. So take that over here. Put on what you want. You can make as many tacos as you want. I just wanted to make one for demonstration purposes. And look at that. Look how that thing glistens. And you have this left over. I guarantee if you put this in a Ziploc bag, seal it, get the air out, let it sit tomorrow, it will be perfect. So let's put the Cheez Whiz on and we're done. And like I said, simple recipes can be made in any country, anywhere. And these are van life recipes, RV life. Alright YouTube, so here's the Cheez Whiz. Now look at that. Now this thing is going to taste incredible, and like I said, you can make this anywhere. All right, YouTube, so this is your Friday's upload, and this is cheesesteak with jalapeno cheese whiz. Unique. If that cheese whiz is not for you, top it with whatever cheese floats your boat. If you're in another country and you can't find that type of cheese whiz, just melt down like cheddar cheese and put jalapenos in there, like finely diced. So this is Friday's upload. I think I got 1 or 2 more tacos, and then we're going to definitely get away from tacos for a while. We're going to explore other recipes and other ideas, and I'm going to also have other food reviews. So enjoy. Talk to you later. Peace. Love you. Dansoy, Batman. God bless. YouTube and friends, that was Friday's upload. A simple recipe. Cheesesteak can be made anywhere, and you could actually substitute things or add. It's your cook, your house, and this is our life. Do things that are best for you. So see you next week. Have a great weekend. God bless, love you, and thanks for the support. You can find me on Instagram on Dansoy Cook, and you can find me on Facebook. I got a cook page, but it's under construction. It's called Dansoy Cook USA. So talk to you soon. Love you. Bye-bye. Dansoy. Peace. Love you.